it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Wantable unboxing and try on. I've gotten less than 10, I want to say, Wantable boxes over the last few months. Wantable is very similar to Trunk Club in my opinion. It's a little bit pricier. You get several items. Most subscription boxes you get 5 things. Wantable you get 7, 8, 10 things. There is a $20 styling fee every single time you get a box. They also add tax to it. So every month, $21.60 debits out of my account. But per usual with these boxes, that $20 styling fee is credited towards whatever you choose to keep. So let's see how many items we have in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 things in this box. Also the Wantable has this thing called the stream. So you can go online and it's endless amounts of items based on your profile, like things that Wantable thinks you would like. And you can say request item or don't send me this ever. So I go through there often and pick several things. So it looks like 2 things in this box are things that I requested. But I will say this box is not my favorite. Several things don't fit. It's just, I don't know. I'm just not very excited about it. I'm not thrilled with the pieces that were selected. First thing we're going to start with is a pair of bottoms. I was very excited when I pulled these out and saw that they're different. Like, look at the bottom. How cute is that? So these are Vigoss is the brand. They're called the Jagger Classic Fit Skinny in a size 20. But I thought this was so cute. Like, things like this that I don't already own, I definitely would want to keep because they're just so different. However, unfortunately, these were very snug. They're not super high-waisted, so they sat maybe at my belly button or a little bit lower, and so it was hard to get them buttoned. I did get them buttoned. I didn't sit in them because I knew if I sat, that button's popping and I own these. You know what I'm saying? But had these fit, I think I would have really liked them. I probably would have ended up keeping them because this is just so cute. But unfortunately, these are a no-go. So with those jeans, I paired this top. It's from the brand MTL 1980. I don't know, it's in a size 2X, and it is this like purple snakeskin printed sleeveless top. You can see V-neck in the front and in the back. I thought this was really pretty. I don't own anything that's like this purple snakeskin printed. If it's snakeskin, I typically gravitate more toward the like silver and whites of snakeskin printed things. The purple is just loud, but it's also different, and this could be cute paired with like a blazer for work or a cute little leather jacket and some black skinny jeans for like date night. This one was also a little bit snug in the bust. It's a very nice like flowy material, not breathable, but flowy, you know what I'm saying? And then I got this Lucky brand, right? Yes, Lucky brand in a size 2X, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so they call it navy, but it's more like a dark periwinkle type color in my opinion. It is this sleeveless top. It's kind of like, I don't know what it reminds me of. Like, it reminds me a little bit of like Little House on the Prairie for some reason, like the style and like the cutouts and stuff on it. This actually felt really, really good. It fit really nice. And once I had it on, like the cutouts at the top and the way that it fit just felt really good. This is a really nice like summer tank top because it is so light and breezy and just, I don't know, it's not snug anywhere. I just thought it was really cute. It's not really my style, but I did appreciate the way that it fit on me. And I'm assuming that my stylist wanted me to pair that Lucky brand tank top with these like linen cropped wide leg pants. These are from the brand Democracy in a size 20W. They say Flexcellent. Okay, so these didn't fit, so you're not going to see me try them on. I honestly couldn't get these like up my thighs all the way. So there was no way of like getting them up and trying to button them. They're just too small. And to be honest, I could tell that they weren't going to fit when I pulled them out. So this is the waist. It has no stretch in it. The hip area is a little bit larger. So I thought, well, maybe I can get them up, but I doubt they're going to button because there's no stretch whatsoever. And I was right. They don't fit at all, but they would have been really pretty paired with that Lucky brand tank top. These next two things are my absolute favorites, and funny enough, these are the two things that I requested this go round. Okay, first thing we have is this beautiful green. Wantable is the brand. All right, so it's long sleeve. It's like a tunic length, but it has this like bit, if you can tell, of like wrap detail. I don't know, it's long enough, like you could wear it with a pair of like super thick leggings and some cute little booties or something. I love the color. I don't know, I thought this would be really pretty for fall and stuff. It's in a size 2X. The fabric is not too thick. It's a good feeling fabric. It's soft, and I love it all around. This is a plus. Last piece of clothing, and then we do have a pair of earrings. So this is the other top that I requested. It is a black Wantable short sleeve top. It does have a little bit of a cuff here on the sleeve, if I can get it to show you. There we go. And remember too, standing in front of these lights, you can kind of see through it. I was wearing a nude bra, so just to, you know, eliminate that issue from happening, if I were to wear this like out in the sun, I would just wear black underneath it. That way, if for some reason you did hit the light in the right way, it would be black underneath there. But this fit really, really well as well. This one's in a size 2X. I have nothing bad to say about it. How much is this one though? $54. $54. Okay, funny story. I went to Walmart the other day. I went in just to grab like a couple of things, like quick in and out. But of course, like to get to the grocery section, I went through the plus size clothes, and they had Tara and Sky black tees. So very similar to this. And I grabbed one in a size 2X. I didn't try it on. It was $5.96, I think. Got home, it sat in the bag for a couple days. I wore it to work one day. That is the best fitting tee that I've had in a really long time. So I'm gonna go back and get a couple more because they had so many colors. So $54 for this one versus $6 for the ones at Walmart. I kind of feel like there's really no comparison. Plus those at Walmart were a different material. Let's see what material this is. I like it, and I do have a feeling that the Walmart ones will shrink quite a bit. This is 60% rayon, 35% polyester, 5% spandex. So I prefer the Walmart ones, so I think we're going to pass on this. And the very last thing in my box, so anytime you get accessories, they come in this cute like little bag that you get to keep if you keep the accessories. So we have, oh cute, a pair of like gold hoops. So these are 32 bucks. It's a little bit, I don't know, like, and y'all know this, like some parts of me as a bargain shopper, like earrings for $32, I can get them cheaper, but then I'll go and spend like a ridiculous amount of money on something else. You know, like I really have no rhyme or reason. Okay, I really do like these though. They're a little bit heavy. They just are simple gold hoops, like nothing flary on them, nothing special on them. They're pretty, but 32 bucks is a little bit pricey for me, but I do kind of like them. So let's talk prices. The total for everything in my box is $409. So that is a pricey box. So I think the only thing I really want to keep is that green long sleeve top that I requested by Wantable, and that is $69. Like I just don't know if $70 for that top is really worth it when I know that I can bargain shop or find it somewhere else. I do really like the wrap detail on it. It's a really good fit. It's a really good fabric. So y'all let me know in the comment section down below if it's worth it or if I should keep shopping. As always, a link to sign up for Wantable will be in the description box down below if you are interested. Also my measurements down there in case you need some sort of scale or something to look at to see what sizes you may need in things. I'll go online and see if I can find these pieces or similar ones online somewhere. That way, if you want to buy them, you don't have to sign up for the box. Those will also be linked in the description box down below. And that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.